rocking my G-Shock. I'm 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 rocking my G-Shock.
What's up, YouTube? Got another video for you guys. This time I got the newly released G-Shock, the GA2000-189CR. This one here is the 9, which is the yellow edition, 5590 module. Pretty cool. It comes in a smaller size box compared to the standard G-Shock. I don't know, they're making these boxes smaller. Let me show you guys. Here's a comparison. This is the standard box I'm accustomed to, and you can see it's much smaller in size, but it's pretty neat. I don't know why they did that, but it's fine with me. Let's keep going. Let's check out the watch itself, unbox it, and let me report to you guys that I'm recording in high definition 4K 60 frames per second. My boy Mike 835 recommended I do that, and I finally took the dive and trying to do a 4K for you guys, and hopefully it's better quality. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the manual, the 5590 manual for you guys. It comes in English and I believe Spanish as well. Yeah, English and Spanish, and maybe some other languages, Chinese perhaps, Mandarin, I don't know. Let's take a look at the watch. Here's the tin. This one looks different in comparison to other ones. This looks gold for me, or yellow or gold. I'm used to like a flat black color in here and not a gold color. So kind of something new that G-Shock has done. Make a mental note of that, because usually the silver, the bold silver one is fake, and this one is gold. I got this one from Macy's, so guaranteed not to be fake. So don't worry about that. Just make a mental note of that. It's good to know. Here's the watch itself. Pull it out. Here's your tag, your hand tag. Casio GA2000-189. 1 for black, 9 for yellow, 8 for analog, right? Retails for US $130. Module 5590. Let's go look at the watch. This is called, they call this one the Carbon Core Guard G-Shock, and it's newly released GA2000 model. And let's take a look at some of the functionalities and some of the new designs that I've noticed about this watch. Firstly, let's talk about aesthetics. The watch is beautiful. It comes in various colors. I love the green one. Unfortunately, Macy's didn't have the green color at the time when I ordered this watch, so I went with the yellow. The red one is also very nice, but I'll show you guys a picture of all the colors available so far for the GA2000. Here's the yellow and black, a nice colorway. It's got this black upper band on top with the black band keeper, flat back. Right here, this buckle. The only thing I don't like about this is that it's plastic. I'm used to the metal buckles for the G-Shocks. This one's plastic. I know there's other models that have plastic as well, but you have to remember this is only $130. I got it at 25% off. Excuse me, which means that, you know, they had to cut corners, they had to save money, and I think that's how they did it. And it's by making the watch, manufacturing the watch a little bit cheaper. Nevertheless, you can see here, it looks like carbon fiber in the bands itself. You can see them in there. Show you guys a nice little detail there. You see that on the back end. You can see the yellow, complete yellow on the back side. So it's pancaked. The black is pancaked inside of the band itself. Very cool design. Here's another thing I don't appreciate about the watch. Is these buttons here feel kind of cheap. It's kind of plastic looking. I feel silver color there, but there feels a little plasticky. Nevertheless, the watch is still very nice. Your button here on the bottom is your light button. Then you have this cosmetic buttons or screws on the top. Right there. G-Shock in white. Mode, adjust, reset, and start on the top there in white, as well as your seconds counter on around the dial there, with the 12 o'clock marker on the top. The inner bezel itself, you can see that also has that gray plastic interlaid inside there, which not very nice, I don't think. but I think it does very nice job. It's very functional. Then you have the yellow, nice brush, aluminum looking yellow dial around here that gives you your signal. Also has alarm. If you see, maybe focus, alarm and signal on there. On the bottom there and the top, you have your mode button. It gives you alarm, timer, stopwatch, and world time. And those circle once you change your different modes: stopwatch, timer, alarm. And it's cool because it has a nice yellow on the back end there. You can see it's got a nice little yellow metallic looking underlay right underneath the mold. You can see it right there. You can see that. See how it shines? That's a cool little function, little feature there. Then you have the yellow G-Shock on the top with the Casio in gray. That's pretty much it. Check out the back. Carbon core guard, Casio 5590 module, GA2000. Very comfortable, guys. Now here's what's new. I've never noticed this with any G-Shock thus far. If someone has this, please let me know. Is this new easy release, quick release band right there. These are the old spring bars that Casio used to use in most of their models. Now they have this one. You pretty much just, reminds me of a gun, a bolt for a gun or a shotgun. You can see there it hides, and if you pull it across, you can just twist it there. So get a better view of that. So you guys can see, there we go. There we go. See how easy that is? And that's it. That's how you release the band. Much easier than the old method, which was very complicated. It damaged the band in the process, and it's just very difficult, very tedious. But that's pretty cool. A new little design for you guys to check out. So now let's check out the functions here. You start off with your home time. Actually, that's your home time. Home time, which gives you your date, world time, day of the week. You can show also the date on the window there, the hour to accompany the analog hand. There you guys have it. Here it shows me it's Chicago time. And then this is how you switch between your home time and world time. You see the mode changes, points to world time by simply pressing that button there. Now switch between modes. Here's your world time. Here's your stopwatch. Here's your timer. And here's your alarm. And alarms, you have 2, 3, 4, 5, and then your signal marker. Back to time. To change the time, you simply push and hold the adjust button to set. Now you're in set mode. Change your different cities. New York City. Thus far, change up and down. I'll leave it at Chicago. Press the mode button to go to the next function. Daylight savings time on and off by pressing the start button. Leave mine on. 12-hour or 24-hour format. Here's your seconds. We want to reset the seconds. Hour, minutes, year, month, date, key. If you want to mute it or want to leave it on, every time you push the button, it goes beep, beep. Light, you want it for 1 second or 3.5 seconds, I believe it is. And back to that. To exit, just push the adjust button again. And that exits the setup mode. That's pretty much it in a nutshell for this beautiful GA2000 watch. Once again, I think it's a great watch. Very beautiful. The cut corners in order to save you money, but I think the design is very nice. Once again, this is the carbon core guard. They've redesigned it, and since you have this nice little bumper in between the watch that runs all around the watch, including the light, including the buttons, you can see that, encases the watch completely. It's a new design, which makes me believe that these aren't just cosmetic, they're actually functional, because it's got a sandwich between that and here in order to keep that new guard inside between the watch, right? There you guys have it. Let's check you guys. Let me show you guys the backlight before we cut this off. Very nice, very bright. and it dims off. Rocking the GWG 1000 Mudmaster today. But let's get back to the topic at hand. The GA2000 new carbon core guard G-Shock. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Till next time, I'll see you guys very soon. This is Travel Chicago. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.
I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar. I'm rocking my G-Shock. I'm rocking my Superstar.